Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart English Hub.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. We are so happy you are here today.
How are you today, Mia?
I'm doing great, Alex. I had a nice, busy morning. And you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm excited for our conversation today.
Me too. Today, we have a very important and useful topic for everyone.
Yes, we are going to talk about jobs and work.
That's right. Talking about your job is very common. When you meet new people, they often ask about what you do.
Exactly. It's a great way to start a conversation. So it's good to know how to talk about it in English.
Okay, let's start with a very common question. What do you do?
This question means, what is your job?
To answer, you can say, I am a, or the short form, I'm a, and then your job title. For example, I'm a teacher.
Right, or I'm a doctor, or I'm a student. That's a job too. What about you, Mia? What do you do?
Well, I'm a graphic designer. I make pictures and designs for websites and books.
Oh, that's very interesting. As for me, I'm a writer. I write stories for children.
A writer. That sounds like a fun job.
It is. So after you say your job, people might ask about your daily tasks.
Yes, what you do every day at work, your responsibilities. For example, as a graphic designer, I use a computer every day. I draw pictures, and I talk to clients about their ideas.
That makes sense. For me, as a writer, I think of new ideas for stories. I write on my computer for many hours, and I read a lot of books.
So you can use simple verbs to describe your work. I use, I write, I talk, I help. It's very easy.
Exactly. Now, what about time? People might ask about your work hours.
Yes, that's a good question. You can say when you start and when you finish work.
For example, I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Right, that is a very common schedule.
My hours are a bit different. I have flexible hours.
Oh, that's nice. My schedule is flexible too because I work from home.
That's great. Now, let's talk about tools you use at work.
Yes, for example, I use a computer and design software like Photoshop and Illustrator.
That sounds interesting. In my job, I use a word processor and online dictionaries.
So you can say I use to describe tools in your job.
Now, our next point, the work environment.
Yes, where do you work? Do you work in an office, at home, or maybe you work outside?
I work at home. It's quiet here, so I can focus on my writing.
Me too. I work from home. I have a small office in my house. Do you work alone, Alex?
Mostly, yes, I work alone, but I talk with my editor on the phone or online. How about you? Do you work with a team?
I sometimes work with a team. I talk with other designers and clients online. I like working with people. It gives me new ideas.
I see. Okay, so now for a very important question. Do you like your job?
Oh, definitely. I love my job. It's creative and I enjoy making new things every day. It makes me happy.
That's wonderful to hear. I like my job a lot too. It's very interesting, and I love creating stories for kids.
So, for our listeners, you can say, I like my job or I love my job. If you don't like it, it's okay to say, I don't like my job.
Right, and you can say why. For example, my job is stressful, which means it makes you worried, or my job is boring.
Let's talk about the past. What about past jobs, Alex? Did you always want to be a writer?
That's a good question. No, I didn't. Before I was a writer, I used to work as a waiter in a restaurant.
Oh, really? A waiter? Was that a difficult job?
Yes, it was very busy, and I was on my feet all day. But I met many interesting people. What about you, Mia? What did you do before?
I used to work in a bookshop. I was a shop assistant. I loved being around books all day.
That's nice. So to talk about old jobs, you can say, I used to work as a. It's a very useful phrase.
It is. Now, let's look to the future. Let's talk about dream jobs. Alex, do you have a dream job?
That's a fun question. I'm very happy being a writer, but maybe one day my dream job would be to teach writing at a university.
That's a wonderful dream, to be a teacher.
What's your dream job, Mia?
My dream job? I think I would love to be an illustrator for a big animation company. You know, a company that makes animated movies.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So, a dream job is a job you really, really want to have in the future.
Yes. Okay, now let's give our listeners some simple questions they can use to talk about jobs.
Good idea. The first and most common one is, what do you do?
Another good question is, where do you work?
And a friendly question, do you like your job?
Also, you can ask, what are your work hours?
These are great questions to start a conversation and learn more about someone.
All right, let's do a quick recap of what we talked about today.
Okay, first, we learned how to answer what do you do by saying your job title, like, I'm a writer.
Then we talked about our daily tasks using simple action verbs like I write or I draw.
We also covered work hours, tools, the place you work, and how to say if you like your job or not.
And finally, we learned how to talk about past jobs using I used to work and about our dream jobs for the future.
Now, it's your turn to practice. We would love to hear from you.
Yes, please leave a comment. Tell us, what do you do?
Or tell us about your dream job. What do you want to be in the future? We are excited to read your answers.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening to Smart English Hub.
We hope this episode was helpful for you. Remember to keep practicing.
Yes, practice is the most important part. We'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.